Creation for Cures, friends. I'm Eileen, and I am a volunteer with Creations for Cures, and I'm here with you in the month of April to make a super fun craft. We're going to make paper plate rainbows. So this is the first one that I did. I actually even made one with some extra yarn that I had. So you can make these crafts any way you want. It's just up to your imagination.
Look, Dora! A rainbow!
You only need a few different supplies. So you're going to need a paper plate. I actually have one that's already been cut in half for me. I have some cotton balls. I have different types of glue, as well as a whole bunch of different paper that's been cut up for me. If you have scissors, you can use scissors to cut it, but you don't necessarily need those scissors to create this craft. I also have some googly eyes, so I'm excited about that. Out here in the Pacific Northwest in April, we definitely get a lot of rain that brings on April showers, bring on our Mayflowers.
April showers bring May flowers.
So we definitely have a lot of rain out here, but there's also a lot of chance for us to see rainbows. So I don't always get to see them, so I'm excited to create a rainbow that I can keep all the time. I love rainbows so much, I actually even crocheted myself a rainbow. This hangs in my office so I can look at this rainbow all the time. But we'll get into this craft. Like I said, this is pretty easy. So if you have a whole paper plate or you already have one that's been cut in half, that's perfect. But you can always take this paper plate, you can just fold it in half to make your part of it. You can glue it, or you can even just sort of tear it in half if you want. But I have one that's already done for me. So I'm going to take my paper plate and I'm going to put down some glue so that I can put down my cotton balls. I'm going to put just enough glue. You can decide if you want to cover the whole thing in cotton balls or if you just want to maybe do the top part. I think I'm just going to do the top part. Here's my cotton balls, and I'm just going to glue, just going to push them down, just on there to make it look like it's a cloud. Did you know that Earth is the only planet that actually gets rainbows? So I think that makes us pretty special and pretty lucky.
Hola, Diego.
Hola, arcoiris.
So there you go. Pretty easy. Here's my clouds. I put those on there. Like I said, if you want to, you can certainly you can cover the whole thing in cotton balls if you want. So I'll move my cotton balls over here. I don't think I'm going to put any googly eyes on this one, but I am going to take my paper. So I'm going to go again with sort of a traditional rainbow. I'm going to do red and orange and yellow and green and blue and some purple. So that's pretty close to all the rainbow colors. Like I said, I already have some strips that were kind of cut for me already. I have most of them here. But you could take your paper and fold it in half like this. Just kind of fold it a couple times, crease it over a few times, and then you could actually just kind of easily rip that paper. So you don't even need scissors. You can just like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some glue on the back part. So on the other side of where I did the cotton balls, maybe I'll take my glue stick for that one. Let me see if the glue stick might work a little bit better. I'm going to put lots of glue on the back so that I can glue my strips back there. Let's see, I'm going to do red, and I'm going to do orange, and I'm going to do yellow. I'm going to do some green. I'm going to do blue. And then I'm going to do purple. Do I have a strip of purple? It doesn't look like I have a strip of purple cut. So I'm going to make my own. Like I said, I'm just going to fold it. So I folded it, and then I'm going to take it, I'm going to fold it over one more time. And then I should just be able to kind of rip it straight down. I don't even need scissors for this. There's my purple. I'm gonna put purple right on the end. And just like that, I have my paper plate rainbow.
What a cool rainbow! Look at those colors!
So again, you can do any colors that you want. It's all up to whatever your imagination wants. It could be all your favorite colors. It could be, you could make it with some yarn. You could do it with some googly eyes. However you want to do it, it's only up to your imagination. So make your rainbow and enjoy it. Like I said, we're the only ones. This planet Earth is the only place you can actually see a rainbow, so I think that makes us pretty special. But join us again in May, and we'll do another fun craft. I'll see you in May, and I'm excited for you to make your rainbow. See you next month.